Do you know? Just one wrong sound can completely change the meaning of your English sentence. Today, we'll fix the pronunciation mistakes that almost every learner makes, and by the end, you'll sound clearer, more confident, and more natural. Let's unlock your real English voice. Hey friends, welcome back to Mr.khan English Channel. I'm your host, Suleman. In today's episode, we're focusing on pronunciation, one of the most important skills in English speaking. Many learners pronounce certain sounds incorrectly, and this sometimes makes conversations difficult. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step. You will learn how to say tricky English sounds correctly. We'll practice many examples together. You'll repeat after me, and at the end, you'll take a short quiz based on your suggestions from the comments. As always, I will speak slowly, clearly, and I'll use easy English so you understand everything. Let's begin. Short I and long E sound. Many learners confuse these two small sounds, but the difference changes the meaning of a word. For example, sit and seat, chip and cheap. These differences are important. Short I sound, quick and relaxed. This sound is short and soft. Don't stretch it. Say it fast. Repeat after me. Bit, slip, chip, milk, swim. Great. A few more. Pick, fit, rim, hill, little. Now repeat again. Bit, slip, hill. Good. Short sentences. Repeat after me. I sit near the window. He bought a small chip. I want to live in this city. Please pick that pen. She drinks milk every night. Excellent. Long E sound. Longer and smiling mouth. Now stretch the sound slightly and smile a little. Repeat after me. Meet, seed, deep, leave, need. 5 more. Feel, green, street, read, clean. Sentences. Repeat. I will sit in the front seat. That animal is a sheep. Please don't leave early. Let's eat together. Perfect. Both sounds together. Repeat with me and feel the difference. Bit, beat, chip, cheap, live, leave. Great job. 2. Short U and long oo.
Now let's learn two sounds that look similar in spelling but sound different. Short oo as in pool. This sound is short and rounded. Repeat. Pool, fool, foot, good, could. More words. Push, put, wolf, sugar, book. Repeat again. Pool, fool, book. Sentences. Can you pull the chair? My box is full. I stepped on his foot. The soup tastes good. I put the key in the book. Nice. Now, let's learn long oo as in pool. Hold this sound longer and round your lips more. Repeat after me. Pool, school, boot. 5 more. Moon, room, spoon, cool, noon. Sentences. They jumped into the pool. Don't act like a fool. The food is fresh. I need new shoes. This room feels cool. Great. Now, let's do a side-by-side practice. Repeat after me. Pull and pool. Full and fool. Foot and food. Book and boot. Amazing.
Three. V and W sounds. Many learners confuse these two sounds. The V sound, very. Place your top teeth on your bottom lip and let the air vibrate. Repeat. Very. Voice. Visit. Village. 7. More words. Video. Vowel. Over. Never. Velvet. Sentences. This is a very calm place. I love learning English. We will visit my aunt tomorrow. I heard his voice clearly. The W sound. West. Round your lips like a small O. Don't use your teeth. Repeat. West. Water. Window. Word. Wonder. More. Walk. Warm. Week. World. Why. Sentences. Open the window, please. What is your plan today? Let's go for a walk. I hope we win this time. Quick quiz time. You will hear a word. Tell me the sound. 1. Sit. Short or long? Correct. Short sound. 2. Moon. Short or long? Right. Long sound. 3. Which is correct? Video or video? Yes, video is correct. 4. Is cheap long like sheep or short like chip? Correct. Long like sheep. 5. The word is leave. Does it use long or short sound? Long. Great.
Final thoughts.
Wow, amazing work today, friends. You've practiced, repeated, and improved your pronunciation step by step. Remember, English sounds may look similar on paper, but how you say them makes all the difference. Keep practicing every day. Speak slowly, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every time you repeat, you get a little closer to speaking clearly and confidently. Pronunciation is not about perfection. It's about being understood and expressing yourself naturally. Keep listening, keep speaking, and soon you'll notice a big difference in how people understand you. This is Mr.khan English Channel, and I'm Suleman. Thank you for spending time with me today. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep practicing and keep speaking English with confidence. Bye for now.